Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is a cloud networking. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys. If you are new, by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a cloud networking? Cloud networking is virtual network components, topologies, and configurations that run on a cloud provider's physical networking infrastructure. You define and manage your networks as software. You can create your own virtual local area networks or LANs and wide area networks or WANs with cloud resources. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is cloud networking is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.